Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Play Store showing download pending error. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes that why Google Play Store is showing download pending error and how to fix it, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So this kind of problem can occur due to various reasons. No need to worry, it's really a frustrating situation, but follow the methods discussed in this video to get rid of the issue. So the very first thing what you have to do is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now launch Google Play Store and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check for current downloads and updates. So if there is any updates available, so you should check it and update it. So what you have to do is go to Google Play Store. In the above section, click on a profile icon. After that, click on manage apps and devices, and here you have to click on manage, and after that here you have to check which applications are in the process of being updated or downloaded. So you just have to press the cross button if any app is downloaded or is updating, and after that stop it from updating or downloading it. After doing this, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time, and after that again check if download pending error is resolved or not. If not, next is to clear the cache of Google Play Store. So for that we have to go to settings. After that, go to the app section, go to app manager. After that, here you have to search for Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Open it, and here you have to click on storage option, and after that click on clear of cache option. So after clearing the cache of Google Play Store, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to check enough storage space available or not. So for that, go to settings. After that, go here, you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you have to check if there is enough storage or not. If there is less storage space, you are suggested to delete some unused apps or games or content, and after that try to check if the download pending error is resolved or not. If not, next is to check for system updates. So you have to go to your settings, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to check if Google Play Store needs any kind of update. So for that you have to go to the Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon. After that, go below, click on settings. After that, click on about section, and here you can see update Play Store option is available. You have to click on it and update your Google Play Store. So after updating your Google Play Store, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to download any apps from your browser. If Google Play Store is not opening and it's showing the same error, you are suggested to visit a Google Play Store website, go to your browser, and after that select for the particular game that or app you are wishing to download, and then hit on the install option. So go to the Google, search for Google Play Store, open it, and from here you have to check if you can able to download the apps or games or not. If not, next method is to change your Google account. So another method that will surely help to resolve the problem is to first remove your Google account that is showing some error, and you can add another account and then try to download and see if the problem is resolved or not. So for that you have to go to Google Play Store, click on your profile icon. After that, click on this arrow icon, and here you have to click on manage accounts on this device. Now select your account that you are facing problem, click on it, and then click on delete account that you can see in the left hand side. So after deleting the account, you have to restart your device, and after your device restarts, here you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on users and accounts. After that, go below, here you have to click on after add account option. After that, select Google from here, and here you have to verify, and after that add your email or create a new account, and after that try to log in to the Google Play Store and then check if download pending error is resolved or not. Next is to uninstall and reinstall Google Play Store updates. You have to go to settings. After that, go to the app section, go to apps. After that, select app manager. Here you have to search for Google Play Store. To search for Google Play Store, open it, and here in the above section you can see two dots. Click on it and then click on uninstall updates option. After uninstalling updates from Google Play Store, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to factory reset your phone. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below. Here you have to click on system management. After that, click on reset option, and here you have to select erase all data option. This will erase data and restore factory settings. So click on it, and after that, if required, enter your PIN and then click on erase all data. So this will delete the data of your phone, and after erasing all data, go back, launch Google Play Store, and then check if download pending error you are coming across is resolved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix Google Play Store download pending error on Android phone. So that's all from me in this video. Thank you.